Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your earbuds REALME Buds T200 Lite. You have to start by open the charging case. Now, if your earbuds do not connect it with another devices, they will enter to prank mode automatically and we will see them at the device list. But we can also enter to prank mode manually, and to enter prank mode manually you need to remove your earbuds from the charging case. At the back side, right here at the top, we have touch areas. You need to press and hold the both of touch areas for at least 5 seconds, and then you will enter to prank mode automatically. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just enter to prank mode automatically and you will see them also at the device list. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.